So how do you check out a City Ledger? Okay, a previous guest was checked out a City Ledger, and now it's time to pay. Okay, you go to others, you click City Ledger, and then you look for the folio. Okay, we check out that one as MRL Gold. We double click that one, and here are the charges. Okay, so if you will look at the title bar, you will see who approved the City Ledger. So for further information, because we asked before this guest was check out the City Ledger, we asked for a security code. So the security code belongs to this person. Okay, so you after that you can then check out the guest by using this window. Okay, it looks like the room posting window, but it is actually a City Ledger room posting window. Okay, so you can check this out as how you check out an ordinary folio. Okay, click add, and then you the zero, so you check out. There you go, it's check out. Okay, so that's how you check a City Ledger. That's how you check out a City Ledger account. What if there's a scenario where you just have to check out the guest right now? Okay, let's make that scenario. For example, let's look for an account that's supposed to be checked out. Okay, this one. Let's so it should be checked out today, August 20. Let's update it. Okay. Okay, now you have a reservation. Let's make a quick reservation. Save. Okay, so the scenario is this. This guest, let's get the name, Mr. Hazareno. Okay, so Mr. Hazareno just went out to play golf. Okay, he already fixed his things, etc., etc. Okay, and it's already what, 1 o'clock or 2 o'clock, but the standard checkout time for hotels, as we know, is only 12 noon. So we call this guest. Hello, Mr. Hazareno. We have to check you out because Mr. Alvarado will be here in about 30 minutes or so. But Mr. Hazarano is currently engaged doing, for example, playing golf or having a meeting elsewhere. So the guest says, okay, my things are fixed. If you really need the room and you're fully booked, you cannot transfer. For example, this is fully booked and all of the rooms are fully booked, and you cannot transfer Mr. Alvarado. Mr. Hazareno says, okay, you have my permission. Just transfer my things neatly in one location and check me out. And then after I come back after the meeting or after playing golf, I will pay the bill. So, what do you do? Do you check it out the City Ledger or you do something else? Well, we have this feature. Okay, this is room 311. Let's put 311 here. Okay, we have this feature as checkout pending. Okay, what's the difference between a checkout City Ledger and a checkout pending? A City Ledger is an account that will be paid days after the checkout, while the pending is a kind of checkout. It's just like an emergency checkout, but the bill will ultimately be paid within the sales date. Okay, so you don't have to check it out as City Ledger, because if you check it out as City Ledger, there's so many things you have to fill up. Like for example, in other hotels case, they have to fill up. They ask for the manager's approval, etc., etc. Okay, but here we have a pending or an emergency checkout. When you click pending, okay, you click yes, the guest will be checked out. You just have to wait for the housekeeping to tell you that the room is big and clean, and after that you can check in Mr. Alvarado. Okay, so how do you check out that pending, okay, that pending account? Okay, so it came from room 311, right? So you click this one, click that one, and then you look for the room number with the prefix of P as pending. You double click it, there you go, and then you check it out. Cash payment. So after maybe around 6 o'clock, Mr. Hazareno comes and he pays the room. Okay, and you check out the guest. Finish. Okay, so that's how you check out guests. So we have transfer charges and checkout. We have a city ledger checkout and a pending checkout. Okay, so for example, there's a group. Another example, there's a group and they want to know how much they'll have to pay. Okay, they need to pay as a group. So for example, let's make a group here. Let's unselect all and just select this one, this room, this room, this room, this room, this room, and this room. So you have two for 6 rooms. You click preview, and there you go. There is a group folio that will appear, and they have this markings like this. Okay. So in total, the parenthesis means the room charge came from 612 or 304, and the total payables, the payments made regardless of each room, it's the total for the group and the net payables for the group. So you can print this out and give it to the guests for their reference so they can double check. But this is done so that if you have, for example, let's go back to again from my previous example, Mr. Yap. They want to check out as a group. They want to know in totality how much is their folio. So you use this preview group charges or group charge. Okay. Now the reports. The daily sales report. This report 1, 2, 3, 4. These are for your FO, who anyone who is in charge or who's on duty. Advanced reports are for you, for the owners, for decision makers, for accountants, so they can produce more reports. Advanced reports, reports from last month, the whole month, annual reports, etc. Okay, let us look at the daily sales report. This is the daily sales report. It's very complete. Look at this one. So it has the room number, the guest name, the nationality, the room rate if they have a discount, and the net if they have minibar charges, laundry charges, miscellaneous charges, guest ledgers, payments, the balance in each room, and the stay. For example, this one is for 3 nights, and the status. Because checkout folios can contribute to this report. How? By making uh, a payment or by consuming something from the minibar, etc., etc. So even if their city ledger also, they contribute to this sales report. Below it is the days total. So how many suite room, how many deluxe, and how many standards were sold, the rates, the discounts, the SC, the net, and etc., etc. If we go further to the second page, you'll see the running total for the month. How many suite rooms were sold for the month of, for example, August, 50 so far, standard 895 so far, and deluxe rooms 183 so far. Okay, so the laundry report, the revenue report, these are all tools that can help each ship, for example, opening, the middle ship, and the graveyard, to summarize today's earnings. The guest ledger, if you have ledgers that came from iServe or iSell products. Okay? The guest list is the list of people who are staying, who are expected to come, the things you have, the folios or the rooms you have to check out, and the checkout folios. Okay, let me demonstrate this. For example, 401 already check out, right? Okay, for example, you accidentally check it out, or you need to recheck in the guest because there's additional charges, or you made a mistake, or somebody made a mistake, so you have to recheck in the guest to correct that mistake. Or maybe after checking out, they forgot they're staying for 2 nights, or I don't know, for whatever reason you may have. You click this one, you click recheck in, you click yes. So that's 401, and there's 401 again. See? Same. Okay? So the others menu is when you want to, for example, view the fast folios. Okay, these are the fast folios. The folios that were checked in as of August 20, Surigao, Hotel Tavern Surigao has 3,338 check-out folios. Okay, so if you want to search it, to search the folios, you just do this. You double click, and you can recheck in the guess. In the reprinting of this folio, there is the person who reserve it, who check it in, and who check it out are here, including the time, specific time and date when this happened. So you can print this again and give this to the concerning party. Okay. So the city ledger you already saw. The new day, the declaration of the new day or a trading day is manual, because uh, when you declare a new day, there are some reservations that who check in around midnight already, around 1 a.m. or 2 a.m., etc., etc. So you have to do this manually. Uh, Other PMS software will just declare a new day without asking you or without you providing the new day. So that's troublesome, because maybe they automatically declare new days at 12 midnight. But what if you have guests who are coming around 1 a.m. or 2 a.m.? Okay, so here you can declare us for a new day, for example, as late as 6 a.m. already the next day. Okay, the keycard module. Okay, Servo IT Solutions partnered with other lockset providers, so you can revoke, create, or get information from keycards here, the electronic keycard. So you can, when they check in, you want to create a key card, this is the module that you will use. But since this is not installed here, it will produce an error. Okay, but here's the interface. If you look at this, okay, so uh, you can create, read card information, or cancel a card. Okay. We have a list of lockset vendors who are our partners, and they can give you really good discounts. Okay, so the central control is for admins only. So here you can change the settings of your program, the privileges of each user, and the user accounts. You can create, edit, or deactivate or suspend a, for example, let's suspend this. So when this user tries to log in, it will say the account or the user account has been suspended. Okay, the miscellaneous settings. If you want to to uh, if you want to edit the rooms, sorry, I'm not. It appears I'm not authorized to use this. Okay, so when you click edit, you can change room numbers and room types and room rates, etc., etc. Okay, the nationality is where you can add, edit, and delete nationalities, and charges when you want to remove or you want to have your own system, what want to say if it's a deposit, if it's a cash, on how you want it reflected on your folio. Okay, so if you have further queries, you please email us at info@servoitsolutions.com, and you may call us at the numbers provided. So this is Senya Property Management System. This is being used in Camiguin, in Cebu, in Surigao, in Pampanga, in Baguio, in Tagaytay, and as of this date, we have around 32 hotels all over the Philippines using this software. And when you buy this software, you're entitled to uh, future updates for free. Okay, for free. That's for free. And during the promotion, you will be able to use our other